In this video, you will learn how to leverage your Sugar platform using the role-based dashboard specifically designed for customer success agents. The Customer Success Dashboard provides a comprehensive and precise view of each customer, encompassing their sales data and open case information. You can find the Customer Success Dashboard in the navigation bar. To access it, click the three-dot menu near the home icon and select Customer Success Dashboard from the list. This dashboard includes 8 dashlets that customer success specialists can use to access specific data and insights in Sugar. My Open Existing Business Opportunities, a list view dashlet that displays open opportunities assigned to you where the type field is set to existing business. Tier 1 to 3 customers displays the customer by tier report template, which shows the number of accounts at each service level. My Tasks displays all active tasks assigned to you. You can switch between individual and team tasks and filter them by due now, upcoming, or to-do categories. Open Cases for My Customers, a report template dashlet that shows cases that are new, assigned, or pending input, and are linked to an account assigned to the current user. These cases are grouped by account name, providing insight into which accounts have the most open cases. My Pipeline Report displays the My Pipeline funnel revenue line items report template, which counts open revenue line items assigned to the current user. These items are grouped by sales stage and summarized by the total sum of likely revenue. New Sales by Month displays the New Sales by Month report template, which counts the number of opportunities expected to close in the current fiscal year, grouped by month. These opportunities are summarized by the total sum of likely revenue. Sales Leaderboard, Year to Date, a report template dashlet that counts the number of closed won revenue line items, grouped by assigned user. Tasks Created by Me lists the tasks you have created. Whether you are a customer success manager or specialist, this dashboard is a powerful resource to help you successfully meet and exceed your job requirements while driving business growth. Stay tuned to learn more about other Sugar role-based dashboards.